Hi guys! Welcome back again to my channel. So for today's video guys, going na ko terminal and then going to Robinson guys kay birthday sa inaanak ko. So yung theme guys kasi may pictorial light blue pero hindi na ito light blue na talaga ito at saka beige at saka red. So yun, doon lang lunch lang guys at bag ko from Richard. So yun na guys, going to terminal. Let's go! Ang init dito na ako sa may Robinson Butuan. So yung pictorial guys is 11. So 10:39 na. Yeah, okay pa yung ko oras. Dito ako sa guys. So Butuan, Robinson Butuan. So yun. Punta na ako doon guys. Bababa pa ako. Let's go. So today is Sunday guys, and then so far quiet dito sa Robinson. Usually kasi yung SM guys, SM Mall tsaka guys magkatabi lang. Dito pupunta ka ng Robinson, lang sasakay pa ka ng multicab papunta dito mga 5 minutes. So while waiting kasi yung kasama ko guys wala pa. So nag-order muna ako at tsaka nauuhaw ako. Nag-order ako ng lemon with coke and then shumai. So while naghihintay, while waiting, so kain muna ako guys. Let's go.
Ikaw Mads, dili ka Mads. Ikaw Mads. Ikaw ba? Ako di ay, ako may
Ikaw, sabak siya niya. Isa na mo, gunit sa cake.
Okay. Sabak siya dahil.
So hi guys, nandito na kami sa my third floor, my studio dito guys. Nakalimutan ko lang yung name. So tatlo lang kaming ninang ni Abby and then 3 years old na siya. Yung mama guys niya, si Weng is classmate ko ng high school. Victoria lang kami guys and then lunch. So let's go. So yes guys, tapos na kami dito sa may photo image studio. And then, bababa kami guys. Doon kami mag-lunch sa may Sangyupsal house. Yung manok guys, nag-voice over lang ako. Pasensya na sa background. After lunch, mag-roaming around lang kami guys. Kasi it's Sunday, so let's go! Guys, nag-stop kami dito sa Pretty for Coffee. We're just done roaming around guys. Yung partner namin is yung cake ni Abby. And then, chika-chika lang kami guys because we're living different cities. So, once in a blue moon lang kami nagkikita. So, killing that time. So, about talking, we're about life, issues sa life. Yun lang, etc. So, let's go!